2.7 Sketching Quadratics. In the first example, we will sketch the quadratic y equals x squared. We do this by making a table of values. Because the graph that results is not a straight line, we need to make sure that we have a wide range of x values. The x values we choose will go from -3 to +3. We now substitute the x values into the equation to find the corresponding y value. Y equals x squared. If x is -3, y will equal -3 squared equals 9. Y equals 9. If x is -2, -2 squared is 4. Y equals -1 squared is 1. Y equals 0 squared is 0. When x is 1, y equals 1 squared, 1. When x is 2, y equals 2 squared, 4. And when x is 3, y equals 3 squared, 9. I now have some points that I can plot on the Cartesian plane. The first point I can see is that when x is 3, y is -9. X is -3, y is 9, is here. When x is -2, y is 4. -2 across, 4 up. When x is -1, y is 1. 0, 0, the origin. 1, 1, 2, 4, and finally 3, 9. I join these points using a curved line, and this is the equation, the graph, of y equals x squared. Let's try sketching y equals 2x squared minus 1. Again, my table of values, x, y. X will go from -3 to +3. I substitute the x values in. Y equals 2 x squared. In this case, x is -3. So x squared will be -3 squared minus 1. This is equal to 17. I then complete the rest of the table in the same way. -2 squared is 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 take 1 is 7. -1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Take 1 is 1. 2 times 0 squared is 0. Take 1 is -1. 2 times 1 squared is 2. Take 1 is 1. 2 times 2 squared is 8. Take 1 is 7. And 2 times 3 squared is 18. Take 1 is 17. I am now ready to plot the coordinates. First, when x is -3, y is 17. X is -3, y is 17. I can't plot that point, so I will go to the next one. When x is -2, y is 7. -2, 7. When x is -1, y is 1. When x is 0, y is -1. 1, 1, 2, 7. And again, my y-axis doesn't go high enough to enable me to plot 3, 17. I connect these points with a curved line, arrows on the end, and label my graph. Y equals 2x squared minus 1. Thank you. Please now complete question 1 on page 164 of your text.